Blaenavon is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's a very good example of a landscape which has seen a fair bit of industrial activity in the past. And what you've got now is a rich mosaic of habitat. It has been a significant change from a landscape which was probably quite hostile for biodiversity to one which is actually very, very good for biodiversity. To keep that diversity of habitats in the landscape, you have to intervene. There's a whole range of techniques. There's the mechanical technique to managing grassland through a cut and collect approach, but you can also use conservation grazing as a more sustainable approach to managing grassland.
So we put the cows on in March, just at the beginning of the bird breeding season, just so that they could maintain it without us actually bothering any of the birds and the animals. Through doing that, all the natural flowers came up as well. And because we haven't put a lot on yet, it's allowed everything to grow, but to maintain it at the same time. Everything that we're basically stood on, which is probably about a foot below the grass, is just the rubble that was dumped from the open cast. There's not really much earth underneath it. When some of the rare species of flowers come through, they're not meant to grow here and they do, and it's just nice to see the fact that what we're doing has encouraged them to grow. My life's changed since I've been doing this job, just from being able to see a positive change to things I'm doing around me. Just hoping that we can maintain it all and have it back to what it once was, full of nature, full of life.
A lot of people don't realise the amount of work that goes into maintaining the natural environment. If you just take a look around you, the natural environment pretty much looks like it manages itself, but that's not the case. There's a lot of different methods of working that go into maintaining and enhancing it. Cut and collect, that method has been really successful on this site, and woodland management, wetland management, the creation of ponds, all of those things come together to connect up the habitats across the borough.
There is a lot more people visiting Blaenavon, not just for the industrial heritage, but also because they understand that it now has quite a rich biodiversity interest as well. The changes have been quite dramatic, I think. It's a fantastic landscape. As an ecologist, as a person who's interested in the natural environment, I want to go out in a landscape which has variety, which has different things to see, and this landscape has that in bucket loads.